cash accumulate. Soon as we came in the game, all these niggas, they imitated. Put my mind on it, then I put my grind on it. Put the iron on them if a nigga my opponent. My code 500, I don't put no miles on it. I was running wild, homie, with 500,000 on it.
Good morning. It's Sunday, we out here. That's down, I'm going up. Go, you going down, right? I'm gonna go up. Oh, okay. Sorry, sir. It's alright. So yeah, it's Sunday. Everybody want to do stuff. Like we about to be around town. You feel me?
What a day this is.
What a day. Yesterday we was walking around like a bunch of fools all day. Okay, I know one thing. I better had dropped a pound or two. Okay, cause your girl been putting it. I had one meal yesterday. Two. Okay, I had 2 meals yesterday.
Drinking.
Smoking straight West Coast, and I'm just playing. So now we about to go to the Nike store, see what they got, because we heard they got some good shoes for the low. So that's where we going. Then we going to have some more food and some more drinks.
Nobody here. Everybody got the best homeboys right here. Trying to eat her.
Black University.
Turn up. This heat feels so good, dog. For real. For now.
Button you pressing?
That one.
This one right here?
Huh? But I like this though. They don't see that one in my closet.
My fucking stomach is touching my back right now. Nah, I'm hungry. Oh, here we go.
Oh, wait.
I'm gonna get into the vlog life.
Vlog life.
Them niggas is making 100K in a month. Like, cash me out, cash me out. Band.
Millions.
What it do?
Hey, they going out. They got the barbecue plate. They got the barbecue plate. Mommy, let me out.
Yay! They gonna give us a free ride. Oh wait, where he going? Oh.
Yeah, there we go. Get in. Hold on, one more right there.
Mom! Oh, where's our niece? Didn't I tell her to come outside? What is she doing?
Damn, she's gonna miss it.
Hey, mama girl.
You got that meat.
You gotta go to that seminar? No, she's going somewhere else. Thanks. Bye, girl. So we had a destination. Everybody said they know the right way. Okay? Only one person knew the fucking right way. It was my brother. And we just hard-headed. We did not listen, okay? So he told us to go one direction and everybody else was like, no, 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 it's the other way. We seen a man coming on the horse. He offered us a free ride, telling us, yeah, it is this way. We get there, it was the total opposite direction. So now we didn't double the back, went in a whole ass circle, and ended up right back where we started from, at the hotels, okay? And now we in the sun, getting baked, all right? Headed in the right direction. Let me tell you something. I'm upset, okay? It's too hot for this. The sun beaming right on my head. Should have listened to my brother in the first place. Who would have been there? It went from an 11-minute walk to a 14-minute walk to a 19-minute walk to we still walking. Damn. And that's the bottom line. We still walking. I think we've been walking for like 30, 45 minutes. I'm not lying. Then we gotta walk back. Like, oh, I'm irritated. I'm goddamn irritated.
All the teams that he put them off to take the bar, See that?
When they want a second chance, he was wrong. Buddy. So right now I'm back in the room real quick. Everybody else went to this little block party that's right across the street from the room. I had to take a little break, okay? Number one, I was hot. I was tired of walking. I wanted to take my shoes off for a good 20 minutes, okay? My stomach was acting funny, so I had to come back and, you know, handle that. TMI, but I'm just being real. My stomach was like, girl, what you doing? I was like, okay, let me catch up with y'all in a minute. I gotta go upstairs real quick. So they at the block party, but yes, I'm gonna go over there right now, but I just really needed to take a breather. I wanted to come wipe my face off with a hot towel. I wanted to take my shoes off. I wanted some air. I just wanted to chill and look outside at the scene. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm recording this video if y'all catch me like, ooh, okay. But anyway, last night we went to a strip club, and people who really know me, y'all know I can't stand a strip club. Like, I hate a strip club. Everything about a strip club makes me feel awkward and like nasty. Like, I, number one, don't pay strippers. I mean, you know, everybody got their hustle, but I, for one, am not giving you money to shake your coochie in my face. Like, I'm not even interested in coochie, so I'm not giving you money for that. You know, I don't want you shaking your ass in my face. I don't like it. I don't even like you shaking your ass in my face. So that's why I stay away from them. But you know, shit happens. And we were walking, they were like, yo, let's go in here. So I was like, okay. Then my family, they want to sit right in the front row. Everything about it makes me feel awkward. I don't like it when they dancing in front of me. I don't like it when they staring in my eyes, being all sexy and shit. I just be sitting there like, I don't like it. And then I'm not giving you no money, so don't come up here shaking it in my face, because I'm just gonna sit there like this, like, great job, you're doing great, you're good at what you do, you know. But I'm not giving you no money. My sister and my cousin leaning over towards me like, I think she wants you to give her $1. Well, I think she better know she ain't getting no $1 from me, okay? I ain't got no money for you, lady. I'm sorry. It just makes me feel so awkward. Like, I don't like looking at naked women shaking in my face. I don't like that kind of stuff. And I definitely don't want to see no man doing it, because I just some of the men be having better dance moves than me, and they make me feel away. Like, okay, no. Like, how you learn to do that? And that's just being real. I don't like them shaking their wee-wees all in my face. I'm not interested in strip clubs. I'm really not. I hate it. It makes me feel awkward. And when they try to look at me in my eyes while they dancing all sexy and stuff, like, don't stare me down. It makes me feel weird. So yeah, that's what we did last night. Amongst other things, but I had to tell y'all about that because I just felt like, can we leave now? I'm about to meet up with them at the block party or whatever. They keep texting me like, girl, where you at? 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 Hey, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Well, I gotta make a rap out of everything. We never end up getting our beignets. We got sidetracked about the block party that I'm about to go to. So they was like, oh, well, let's go to the block party right now and then get beignets later. Like, we just took this whole journey around New Orleans, okay? Back and around. We was walking for so long, and then we gonna decide not to go right now, okay? After we stopped at a bar, had a little, you know, had a little beer or whatever, then they was like, oh, no, let's just go to the block party. Girl, boy, I've been walking around all this time. I want my beignet. Shoot, so now I'm going later. Now I gotta prepare myself for that long walk later. Okay, but anyway, well, y'all want to see what I'm looking at? Y'all want to see the view? I showed y'all this morning, kind of the morning vibe, but I just can't help but sit here and look at this. These clouds are giving me life. If you don't know, I'm a cloud lover as fuck. I love these clouds. They so white and fluffy. Block party, here we come.
On my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me, what? And do your job. What? Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg.
My family's so hype, man.
So I just got back to the room. It's like 10:30, 10:45. This is water. I'm thirsty as shit. Everybody's really still just hanging out. And I decided like, yo, I'm sleepy. I'm gonna go upstairs. Listen, I enjoy showers and sleep. So I'm about to take a shower and I'm about to go to sleep. They really like, boo, your grandma. I'm like, hey, call me what you want, but don't call me collect. Okay? Because your girl about to get in the shower and lay down. I'm tired. I'm not ashamed to say it. But today was a great day. I had a lot of fun. I'm just really loving this place. Like, I love it here. It is so great. Like, I think New Orleans is like my new favorite place. Like, I'm just about to move here. So right now, I'm about to shower, okay, and lay down because need to rest. Okay, I really want to sit down, but I hate sitting on beds in outside clothes. I really do. It's just so disgusting to me. Today we actually did all that walking and still didn't get beignets, so we got to get up tomorrow and go get it. I'm not leaving here without one. I heard they were delicious, so I would like to go. I'm about to really chill and take down this water and these Chex Mix. Have y'all tried these? Let me tell you one thing. These are so bomb. Like, this Chex Mix is fire. I want y'all to know one thing. It is a bad idea to wear a romper when you know you're gonna be out all day. Every time you gotta go to the bathroom, it's a terrible situation. It's terrible. Trying to get the zipper undone and then get it back up. Okay, like, it's a struggle. I'm like, can somebody unzip me, please? I have to pee. I've been peeing all day. Anyway, I gotta get in the shower because I want to sit down, but I cannot sit down in this. I have to be clean. I want to be clean and chilling. So, I'm just saying tonight, y'all, I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't play no games. I need my rest.
It's the night of your life, girl, put on your pretty ass dress. It's the night of your life, girl, you gon' forget your stress. How could it treat you that way? You the kind of girl a nigga dream about, yeah. You ain't even got flows that could look at you all day.